Hi there, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and this is a short video presentation of our 2020 MG HS exclusive in Brixton Blue. This fantastic example has the 7-speed automatic gearbox and has completed just 7,951 miles since new. This 2020 registered vehicle is presented to you in exceptional condition, and the exclusive model boasts a wide variety of standard specification. The car features the independent LED daytime running lights and front fog lights, whilst having 18-inch alloy wheels. The exclusive specification also features keyless entry and keyless go, whilst internally on the vehicle you've got stunning heated leather seats, which are a mixture of black leather, Alcantara and red stitching. In addition to that, on the inside you've got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, large multimedia screen with DAB radio and sat-nav, and central armrest. This car also features the full-length panoramic sunroof with curtain blinds. Towards the rear of the car, this also has the electronic tailgate, rear parking sensors in addition to rear reversing camera, and twin chrome tailgate outputs. This car is quite a sought after opportunity to get a used MG HS, which is in absolutely immaculate condition. The car is now available and in stock at Seaford MG. If you'd like any more information or a personalised video, contact us on 01323 898 818